CIDAN Pro-Z folding machine sits at the top of its class in folding complex profiles and heavy material. Folding both up and down, this machine eliminates the need for an operator to flip material, providing time-efficient folding of complex parts for just one operator. Our proven folding beam construction, along with automatic crowning and setting of bending center as well as sheet thickness, provides superior folding quality in all thicknesses. The CIDAN Pro-Z folding machine is also equipped with our eccentric OED, which provides the same high clamping pressure and capacity regardless of the selected tool height while maintaining maximum opening height. While designing the new Pro-Z metal folder, our engineers utilized the ability to fold in both directions and a wide range of movement to achieve the three priorities CIDAN has been known for: safety, speed, and flexibility. With auto-locking, integrated tool storage, and a new tool layout in the updated ProLink W, tool changes can now be made even faster.